In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in Getresponse. We're going to walk through this slowly and clearly, so by the end, you'll have a dedicated blog page ready inside your Getresponse website. You don't need any coding skills for this. Everything is done with a visual drag-and-drop editor. First, log into your Getresponse account and head to the main dashboard. At the top of the screen, look for the menu option labeled Tools. Click on Tools and then choose Website Builder. This is where you'll create and manage your website and, in this case, your blog page. Next, you'll see an option to create a new website. Click on Create Website. At this point, you can decide how you want to build it. You can either use a ready-made template, which gives you a pre-designed layout to customize, or you can use the AI generator if you want Getresponse to suggest a design based on your answers. Choose whichever option feels more comfortable. Templates are great if you want something quick and structured. The AI generator can be helpful if you're not sure where to start and want some automatic suggestions. Once your website opens in the editor, look towards the top or side panel for a button called Manage Pages. This is where all the pages of your site are listed, like Home, About, or Contact. Click Manage Pages, then select Add Page. A window will appear asking you to name your new page. Type in blog as the page name and confirm to create it. Now you have a dedicated blog page added to your site's structure. With the page created, it's time to design your blog. Make sure the blog page is selected in the editor so you're editing the right page. You'll see the drag and drop editor where you can add different elements onto the canvas. Drag in text boxes for your blog titles and content. Add images to make your posts more visually appealing, and consider placing a form if you want visitors to subscribe to your newsletter or updates. You can also use columns and sections to structure the page. For example, you might have a main column for your latest post and a side column for categories, popular posts, or an email sign-up form. Play around with spacing, fonts, and colors so that your blog matches your brand and is easy to read. When you're happy with the layout, make sure to save your changes. At this point, your blog page is set up and ready for you to start adding posts and growing your content.